percentage the minya percentage be like minya any royalty be from that particular song no.
Ma we na ya mo ya shatawale timata ma mo so ni subai. Shatawale mu ade. Onso ni bone twedi. Aba kano kra public ama public na gedi no. Na wo deny. Oh. Bullet we twedi. Ade tina yuma ma ye. Na bullet the man artist so meto wa fine. Yum no what to ya hate. Yeah. I hate it as a percentage there. Let me bow. Unji ni se percentage na de yaw ewo mu peso be kanu krano se Multimedia umedi midwa ama eboni ama watu ama na be hiti anka ese at least oh Ahkan je percentage we na wa maw tu di yaw ewo mu na bulletin so peso ya de ma na show se na untimi be bisa no percentage no.
Just pray to Jehovah. Invite the Lord in the matter. Nova.
What is me boss intimate to be? What is it bullet pa? Yo, where you Poleeno Multimedia production na ya de bramo. Me make us say ya from it aka heavy machine. Yes, and there ya that's one kwa. Ya de jumadie foforo bi ya de bramo. Jumadie Impensa musho. Feature musho. Yeah. No. Any pakra ye ne babe din kitahwe. Ye fro omo RuffNSmooth. Yeah, seminim say na mo amunim no. Omo ntemtiti ye na fro ba ko Ahkan na ba ko di bullet. Ti wo dia. Mo ma yon ko commercial break mra. Ye ko ba na ne Ahkan abedi. Din kitahwe. And
no evil can interrupt the lane. For Jah are the only protector.
Yeah, and then be Ahkan.
Somebody somewhere don't want to see you win, or you grow to be greater. They go try, they go do, they go try, they go pull you down. As I come for the bigger. So you fight like a soldier. If you really want to take over, just pray to Jehovah. Invite the Lord in the matter. Holy God, don't feel me there, don't be mad. Holy God, fire in the moon. When they take me to Babala, say bad energy, stay far away, far away, far away. Bad energy, stay far away, far away, far away. Bad energy, stay far away. I go make it. Show you back. Sunday hate. I go make it. It's a moment down it. Yeah, there's a way down it. Wanna see the bonnet.
Mene Ahkan ne babe din komo e bane sei na mo kabo mu eye RuffNSmooth afedi o montem titi ya fra ba ko Ahkan ya fra ba ko bullet ba ko de ne dia ya management na ba ko still so de ne dia ne ya mapo so de ko swab audio so de dani engineer ono so ye nim de ne dia ya so guso o yom to ne dia ande mwa Munye dina muntie nkomo ebedi so da so yom to so we free so wa eda you Ahkan
big man
umpo mo te say
nyamia bibi aboko
that
was what to say
nyamia dom na ye ti un ka cheye pa na wo ko share he
most of the time na yana me ni Ghana yana me wo North America me working behind the scenes with my songs and my recordings and my packaging. Send me packaging me home big at the bar, Abre Africa, my area, Ghana, my tea. The Koya Masaba, and I try so much. Oh, Asem and home. Can't answer naming it out. It was about what do you mean, Ebre? And I said, what are the front Ebre? Of course, you say, you can't, you mamma, and you Nankasana, BBA can or one. Okay. You my body, and I will need and your papa pan at the bar.
Debut, Okasa, you Nankasana, Tianajas or patches a bullet. Tamamoto, Moya RuffNSmooth, Amoto, your bullet, want me I'm participating in an idea and that's on to me. And for you, money be ma.
Oh, no, and this I said bullet, they will say, bullet, I'm right, air RuffNSmooth now. When it comes to hooks, or more hooks, I work us out here, I won't be so fine, but men on my life need now music from the infancy, from the beginning I've been seen there. So I'm 100% into music, you know, into music, writing and singing as well. It's usually so you're a musician.
Oh, yeah, they say association. So, Cassette. Say, Obi no big kaboom, that's what more to your man.
Yeah.
So, Obi the rap ba, no be the singing ba, na say mo yen sing.
Sape pepe. Yeah.
Inti aya a ban say, and I'm on to tea.
Oh, dear by dear. I think say busa bullet because or not, let's say like all can about it, say a group in Martity. Now, maybe I thought say we were doing individual a year later, no, you're back together, and then you have bats. Or no, say group no is no more, so you be fun, sir.
I can't so cause him be a bullet. Asana, Bibi Bessia Montemetino. Where so drink a whole part.
Yeah.
So, and Namosona Montemti, and I say, and Namosona Montemti because bullet dear, and Yashua say. Be free no. Do a free na and I said that want me first of one and bullet.
I said the time because I say bullets are granting interviews with Brea. Or just say group no any hobby.
I see any hobby.
Yeah, but he didn't talk to me. Because Emra and I for me group he came to me and said oh I can't do say me here on more now. Yeah, form this group, right?
Auntie bullet na catch yourself group no go.
Bullet na can.
But one cause on him say group no go.
Yeah, and me buy na me assassin the man and me say group na go a goose you know.
I dey wood to kwan buy na bullet say go and I say na wo Ghana haya.
Number 2 kwan.
Na way to kwan.
Yeah.
Bullet so according to bullet no so no. Say one like we are stubborn guy be just say one eja bema de e say also to me a day with me who say na oh
oh that between me and bullet they have the stomach say bullet na rough na RuffNSmooth there so say rough stomach
so rough there
smooth there call it smooth what I say na rough
smooth to say microphone we din but snake I cannot snake and grass. Yeah. Oh, David, Mentesa, be on me be any I can. Pull it me chocho mucho pao. I saw the one the shame, mammy. Into Asem, okay. I saw the name. Oh, yeah. That's my under there. And the phone. Meant to me now. Come on, yes, I can't. Now, answer. Kasakasa besi obini ni ntema twen ho se no mistake ne enfru na enfru mo fram penifo bi na ye ho bebi a mfom so ne free na bullet se wo no fage ba na ida o krase oni bebi na wasi ne chi
oh it's a train there na me pesa na usi ko kwa chi kwa sana mti sa yes usi ko kwa chi ro asa o divert nko what you bullet that can me bisa oh it's ana bullet no bibia ni in terms like any grudge and bibia ni in terms it's just that everybody is doing their own thing or yeah into management I'm doing music full time what you say
na madu do say now they yom ariom
oh what's me the yeah man shadan nye me dadwins are like me shadan fa mba ensimeni so sa what I say me shadan fa mba pensimeni so sa ke madam fu bi a friend a year the law on na there outside my pensimeni
there you antisisi a montemo atiti e hawa na e how
oh me hu se bibia besi wa brabo mu bia no bia en hye bia do time a say obi a be ye na de enko the only thing is it shouldn't be say or be now we are be better say e jeba bi ntokwa bi ana bi say what you say me for me the masum the bebe bi masum because before that na me solo artist na me am to me nko before bullet bana yeah, you group on it. No Martin. I don't know how to say.
Okay. Ahkan.
Yes, sir.
Bullet say.
Yeah.
Was suffer. I catch you say bullet no. Edo no, and then Amundroso. And no crown as a no crown. What be sir?
Yeah, Matthew, of course, or interview no coca say, what to say, Ubiaka, so for Biaka, say, or no, then me releasing your man what's on your so. Now, the known places just to bring the song down, I may release it, but for me, you know, one question person me busa say, how did it, or not, or have not say, for him to come out and say that, no, that's why. Say case we need to meet say oh e bia mate say e bia so for no catch on one frame me catch me na what I say but you can't come out and make a statement for instance on no anu na yet free me team free baby ada on no na me free na no first so I can say same way and
now so for an kasa anchiro
no dey mate tin sem bebre and sem dey mate bebre but me will be I don't give my mind to e bia Asem mate say me gyina sa asem no so the only thing I say nipa bia no why so bompaye now say Nyankopon so ma the biggest protection because Nyankopon the bit my ma the biggest protection now what I say me answer so the like I don't give my mind to say e bi obi atramenyum so and I say yeah the only thing I may say I pray to God say you know obia on pese bia what I'm doing in the because from the Nyankopon and ankasa no you know should deal with the person you get what I mean.
Into wow sha bullet the work with so
and they too vitamin e
so to me because nipa bia na mo na say obi fighting against so in spiritual realms you have to know.
How would you know?
You have to know because you are Christian. You are Christian, and every star or Christian, you have to get a spiritual father.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes just I'm at TBB, Mate.
Okay.
So they Mate meant me, but I mean just too much. Mean no so said. I don't think I'm a buyer. No, men and link up for a long time. No, men and shut down link up. Excuse me.
Now, yeah, to say. Bullet, what say? Bullet, man, or manage your mono. Why, you mean, no manage your
maintain baby.
Oh, yes, one kind.
I want to kind. What can
declare?
Sir, I do catch up, you know. No, and they mean, no, no crack. No crack. Someone will come, me, my teeth for one.
Make me a day, me a hosta.
Oh, yeah, I'm
the host, so I cannot lie to you. Because one kind of cry, and no cry on man something I see.
Oh, there.
Oh, yeah, so
the idea my Bibiakobasa and say, who said, Unu be a Juma, right? Now, per se, be a Jumana on any panean, or per se, we a Juma for it won't give you attention to a Jumana now. You only depend on transit. Okay, this is what I want to do. Yeah. So I'll go into management, and there is on the entrance. Say, okay, I want to go into management, but I want to go into full-time management. And see, this is what my person may say about. I don't know any sir. If you do catch them, so when you're artist there, but one castle or go into full-time management. Then on the dance channel, the entire man no most of the time make me home. Like mentioned, any relationship with any to surface, and then they say, "I grant interviews, no cancel about me always no." But I mean, so me go interview about bullet. Me go interview, I go promote myself. When they ask me about RuffNSmooth, I say, "Oh yeah, group no yeah, but at the right time we will come back together and release songs." And the mentia said the entire on the day he'll go and say I can't am a group no go here, I can't say and all the time I can't say I say pushi blame be what I say to the man started say me yeah kakra.
Next question back do what I say bisa yes say a human come true go say we tuni na no and the management when they share and a friend say e boni or their money and Kuala no more to and no more day hate it. Baki, your friends say, Umbedi me, you say no more much to another man, Ebony.
Yeah, actually, made you try a RuffNSmooth song. Bullet need accept permission from me. Say, or person the my bonding now. Or the banana make man go ahead, so why not? On farm no farm, say at the end there. Say cannot. I be a community, you know, and you might start to see promote. Yeah, this according to the original song. You start to see promote by a giant promotion. And or the my bonnie, and I bonnie. So at least I think it's the second biggest song. Yeah, or the baby here. Inti and one of the catch me. Yeah.
Inti more percentage and answer one and also trudy.
Oh, percentage. The minya percentage. Be like minya any royalty beer from that particular song. No, Mimbusa there, but be on my be so because like. Maybe a bullet beat me up bamming chance so I can and you may acquire me the can't catch say but Kakrasi na abamwa you know me face say also so me ma ota free baby kakra but man bibi asa free no but my nin share in the tree my nin the tree sir because I'm here to promote my song so yeah.
Now when you decide Sanyama we na ya muya Sanyama we na ya muya shatawale timata mamuso ni subai shatawale muadie onso nipa na twedi aba kana kra public ama public na gedi no na wo deny bullet we twedi adi na yuma maye na bullet dia mana artist so meto wa fine yum no what to ya hate
yeah
I hate as a percentage dia et me ba unjini se percentage na de I did this in Yabuba Montemu.
Oh, no, I don't put the same can kind, you know, and the normal way on KBA, you know, say we are part of the song, the and the normal when you like to say you like to meet with the person and the castle, okay, and way, yeah, say na bamunti. I can also take a crater free. Like I know you're the right way, I know you're the rightful way, say, I know you're there, say, but may who be outside, but my niche then the tree, I haven't really, I mean, so on so only the kakra from a hassle, yeah.
Oh, Bema,
boss,
yeah, only penny back on so video, yeah. Once I met to money to Anuina, baby. O kase friba na chese bullet chuedi na udi yawo ewo mu peso be kanu krano se mutimi de umbedi midwa ama eboni ama watu ama na be hiti anka ese at least oh Ahkan je percentage we na one mau to udi yawo ewo mu na bullet so peso ya de ma na show se na untimi be bisa no percentage no ena de kasaka se bo muntem no ti bullet kase so for say bullet na yo and also what you too no so bullet the offer me am ben no then na demo separation neighbor
there be enya no ntia
okay tonga na de separation neighbor
the bullet onye nyame misro nipa wo wiase the only nyame pen na so usuro no apart from nyame no nipa deseni a otese wo de enye so usuro no what they say nti usuro side dey usuro bi eni ono but said now can with medu udwa no obi anka obe you do that say bia she say na ba mu nti at least what they say BBC but me nu na frame anka bibia but me share down and I haven't called him and I say BBC I dey am him say okay who say bullet for hustle na na artist no do time mobile be anymore no for free munti sane money no I didn't wanted to chase it and I said BBC
inti Ahkan inti woni bullet when na eba industry mu first and I say mu ina babo mu pe na mo ko share wo studio na mo kam tibo mu na mo branded sadino smooth no
industry in the bullet ba mu ntem bullet ba mu I think 99 and I me ba mu 2001 yeah 2001 I'm releasing my first single as me nko and a bullet to releasing the first album I think 2009 yeah
okay so se metie on komodie mu a wo se bullet ba mu jao na se bullet ba mu jao na center wanta wesia wo na ese kopo bullet chao na se won kopo ne cha na pa che se wo ya arrogant o
dabi o ntawata we bia mai o ntawata we bia ni onum the only thing is unse bullet or management waja nyom to the dada what I say last time I was say bullet to nyom yetambe that was RuffNSmooth days me so me na me to nyom this is here no ye management and I say na obi any time for say RuffNSmooth adwuma dia ye na hia na ye but see and we are not doing it so obi anti na say ye me like in hia nkasa na ya and they make catch up first and say because of interviews be on so granted and send be okay can I
channel was one ye adwuma there and go ye sama for be ka say me twantro for bi na be sha kan and na mo twantro
oh you channel
oh yeah
we
are nice boy
some sell
can
yes sir
Adentina wako volume adesi bullet
oh anyumeza mimbo anyumu ndesi bullet anyumbe
wako volume bad energy
bad energy bad energy there enye this song anyuma ekoma haters nti se wo ho na ohwe na wa akoma mu so we hater mabonyo na mawo
ana chese waza bullet yo hater ina wa volume netia
menkasa
sisi onini ntemate tinti yo hater
oh me hate no menkasa me hate menkasa me hate but what I'm saying is that who said RuffNSmooth uti anyuma old ones ni bia you hate songs wo mbebre what I say and sometimes so be ka say when ye botia no you feel say who say in society no me I believe say obi a wo hater me America say me wo hater me obi a ono no obi a on person me koso right wow hwe me wo hater also wo hater so wo haters bebre
o me de me ni hater
and the whole world open on hater
masa kanu kula no kura dia ba ko pe na wa asase
no
o kanu kura manfo be ka bia ma o chantro so manfo ka bi ma
bad energy me bomb ma obi a mambo money pa ba ko
obi asese
because obi a wo haters
tabi
also who hater
oh masa jai kanu kula botia bullet
there be mambo ntia bullet
ya me chocho mucho
there be ono akra ni se mambo ntia na
okay to yom no my freestyle
bad energy stay far away oh, far away bad energy stay far away oh, far away somebody somewhere don't want see you win or you blow to be greater they go try, they go do, they go try, they go pull you down. And so time for no be God. So you fight like a soldier if you want to take over. Just pray to Jehovah. Invite the Lord in the matter. Nova.
What is me boss intimate to be? What is bullet pa? What is bullet when you
No, tie. Don't. Mendesi bullet here. Nyuma.
Into be confess.
No. Confession na me ma no. Nyuma me mabo e de ato hono. About obi biara person obi koso. So obi koso na ya oya. Ase unu ye koso ase uhwa ase unu obi wo honom unu obi ti ase wo koso na ya oya. Na uye niema bia emma nipa ne nkoso no uye hater na sa nipa na wo so ye sa no wo so wo hater
true pa
it will be our haters rather nti me bom obia
true tiefo mo amoso for don let na make say some tie nua bema akan de okaye no nipa bia wo asase bia wo atamfo unni atamfo na chese unye nipa aboa kura wo atamfo nti kohwehwe
bad energy
no yeah Ahkan
latest
singer
bad energy stay far away
na tamfo no tambia esa okutia no yes bema nyamishra pa why you need na
na me tun catch you
oh me wa
my two single be serious
Sir, Asem is now.
So do is.
And now me person me ne kwapia so ye kambom na ye Q&D.
Oh, Q&D.
Q&D. Kwapia and don. Ono so gimi ana me ne beko.
Ono so gimi ana ne beko.
Sisi ya shase. Titiaso.
Yeah, Titiaso is a nice. Like I'm so impressed. Like, man, watch out for this group, man. Q&D. Watch out, Ghana. You guys have to watch out for Q&D.
They're
about to take over like nobody's. And you know, a brand CB, a friend is Dilo. Young guy, West Sua, you know, and beat Bomuno, or Kushia beat Bono UK. Yeah, into UK, not the Bagana. And to a vibe, and I'm not a crowd to UK vibe no. No, no, boss, I beat your friend the law.
But you can't. When I will hype on an answer there because of when I see a quiet, I'm no about. No about. Yeah, now Nipa Bacoso Boame, I coffee. Obeti a brandy voice be or no Cassano, yeah, also, oh, you know, so. And see, a big song, just watch out for. That's the biggest song for. It's going to be the biggest song. Don't get it twisted. But I could be our haters into be at here. And need you. What I say? Yeah, that was saying. I can't. Last question, maybe so. Answer you free and my so. To be per se, or no, Sayan Cambom, a group, I'll be now.
Group there, I wouldn't advise group because group will say the Nipa Ubia or Adia or Pesoye. And to move a group in a better time, we know we person we super so far, we super so far. Now command them months and some now what I say to group there. And yeah, there, however, like involve myself in the group again. Yeah.
Matthias, and now said the bullet, they are you winty.
Oh, no. Who said, group, we group, right? Will be an admin, and you will be an idiot, person. And see. What's a bullet here management? What I say? Miss May, dear Mayor. What I say? On no giant neutral, and I may a better time be now win. I'm a group there. I don't advise it.
Into what's a one bullet? And yeah, one hour wanted to one I say a day. I know to mean your group you to share bullet to put on pussy over there. Oh,
I didn't say bullet there. Last time Michigan Crown Kujina, but. Baby, I know fan went me engine. Nanko me kasa like from far. But now baby I walk on went me engine out. And so me problem here.
But only maybe me tell Casamu to me and somehow pa but only a show mo. As answer. No. To me koso. It's not very free. And
you and you no doors for me move. Sir. You doors for me sir.
Yo, at your for some to the end, you have a man a kind. Young one pie, Naja. Nejum, bad energy. Uncle Swana day. New Year, boy. Bad energy, and Eddie Betty. Yes, Uncle Lumnibio.
Bad energy, stay far away. Far away. Bad
energy, stay far away.
Bad energy, stay far away. Bad energy, share you bad. Sunday Haiti. No matter the bye. I go make it. Share you bad. Sunday Haiti. No matter the bike biting. I go make it. Bad energy.
Yo, tear for Senamot said the minimum didn't come on at your car. Now, say musician for your take your multi group in a Multimedia for us for no one. You know, I'm in a Multimedia, and you might the credits about. And say a pencil no at the frontier, and then pencil money back. Let me stop on. Yes, because me adore ye, Nyako ye. Oh, me adore the only nipper nam na yan rate na nipper head there.
But the group Mutia, it doesn't mean say you are any hope.
But if a group separates, there's no there be like and to me could be able to person.
By group will be as muti. Group will be any as a muti.
And I make no and I say I should share the root
cause of it.
Be a free no. Because I girl a basic asem. In a moment to me, maybe decision no. Your bar and I say sikasem in a moment. Oh yeah.
And never be sometimes so be and never be brew because when you be there Juma. Sometimes it be on my any brain in a creativity group.
No trust and
then those kind of things and those kind of intimate group meetings can bank.
You do baby ne praise baako ja baako
ah na say I say
na you praise say bullet
oh that mean cancer
the person who do final was baby a obi epel album a download and so oyom a download ya he fa na obenya no
oko first you also follow me social media Ahkan official Ahkan is spelling no Ahkan official they say obi and you say they spelling yeah Ahkan official our Instagram our Facebook our Twitter then after that and you know bad energy they feel maybe releasing on all the platforms so from this weekend you're gonna get it but I already have Obama Dance, which is trending worldwide. It's very huge worldwide. Like one of the songs, a Ghanaian song, is going up there. Yeah. Then I'm releasing Yawa too. After I maybe drop all the videos of the songs. Yeah.
But I like your everything. I just really love you. Yeah, your structure, your voice,
everything.
Your everything. In fact, like I used to be a woman, like I'll marry you. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, yeah, Nyami Shrapa. Your final words na yen mi abema Ahkan e dia ba na wie ye no. Therefore,
shout out to Omo Boama this dream coming into existence. Like first me the Nyakopon say me da so for boy and piebo more DJs, presenters, more try some be pushy the music industry and there will be as me team my producer the law I coffee, Shiwawa, all the people I'm working with, me dominance.
Okay. Oh, Miss Medawasa. I'm sure Bibia. Namonko Swansha Poleeno Multimedia. Yeah, you did at the Fufro, Yama, you did at the Fufro, this Roncon Ebremo, Monsieur Poleeno Multimedia, Yaman. See you again.